a good lash can save the most tragic of looks. I'm telling you. This was tragic. And honey,
boy, if you don't get
and we'll party like we're 17.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look. It's a spring makeup tutorial, and I want to give a shout out to NPM Scooter. I feel like I'm cursing in another language. Huge shout out to you. You requested this video and you show so much support on all my videos, so I just want to say thank you. But yeah, this one's for you, honey. Anyway guys, yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this spring look, then keep on watching. I can't see anything, like I literally can't see anything. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face. I've never used a primer before, like I just got this. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not, but I'm just gonna hope. Now that my face is primed, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. It's gonna take me 12 years. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. The tan that I had is long gone now. So I'm aware that the foundation is a little dark for me, but as soon as summer comes around, it's gonna match me again, I promise. Next, I'm gonna use my Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that under my eyes. I'm running out, by the way. I gotta literally scrape it out. So I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with the L'Oreal Translucent Powder in the shade 960. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off now, because if you leave this on too long, you end up looking like a damn ghost, because this is not the best translucent powder out there. So now that that's all wiped off, I'm going to go ahead and do my contour to put some color back in this skin, honey. And for the contour, I'm just using this AliExpress palette. I got it a long time ago. It was like $1. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes now. Let me scooch you up a little. So I'm gonna start out with a little orange color here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm going to cut this crease just a little. I'm just gonna go halfway. Same thing on the other side. This concealer is not blending at all. But you know what? We're gonna have to work with it because I don't have the time to redo this. To be fair, it was $1, so I can't ask much of it. But like, dang, how you gonna do me like that? Really, Miss A? Really? Really, Miss A? How you gonna do that? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and I'm using the 3D Faux Mink lashes from Shop Miss A. That's probably not in focus. It's called Lydia. You guys, I don't even know how to work my damn camera yet. I can honestly tell you guys, a good lash can save the most tragic of looks. I'm telling you. This was tragic. And honey,
Oh, no, 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 no.
now that our lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes so that we don't look bald, honey. And now we're gonna do lips, and first thing I'm gonna do is line my lips with a brown pencil. And then I'm gonna go on with my signature lipstick that I wear in every single video because it's my favorite. And it doesn't have a name. I wish I could tell you. Oh, okay. It's called Rum Rich. And this is from Maybelline. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply highlighter to my cheeks and my nose. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video from me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!